It's 8:12 on your Tuesday morning, and Spokane County today is looking at some record highs, some very frustrating trends, and really no end in sight when it comes to our local COVID-19 situation. So the data really explains why we're in that position, because today's data does come from Spokane Regional Health District, and it shows the case numbers, if you look here at the very end, rising like we have not seen yet all year. And that curve, remember, we worked so hard to get it flat here in the midsummer and late summer and mid fall. Yeah, it's gone. It's pretty much a full-blown spike now, because on Saturday, Spokane County reported a shocking new single-day record at 348 new cases in just one day. But I want to take away the curve for a minute, because I want to look at the data just a little bit differently. As we divide this up, looking back at the way that Spokane first started reporting cases back in March, I want you to see these orange dots, these orange days. Basically, from the day we first started recording all the way through September, the health district recorded 9 days, pointed out here, where the total for a single day crossed 100. 9 times in 201 days. Since then, in the 40 days since October 1st, you can see a lot more. 21 days where the single day totals climbed above 100. So we saw more than double the amount of 100 plus daily case reports in a fifth of the amount of time, 20% less time, and it went to such high numbers. And by the way, we've already seen it past that 5 times just in November. So as we break down the data that we see coming from October 1st through today, we're looking at the way that these age groups have kind of shaped up. Young adults, by the way, continue to be 2 of the top groups. People in their 20s and people in their 30s have pretty much been 2 of the largest percentages all year long. But the age group that grabbed my attention and has the largest increase in percentage since October 1st, it's right here, small children. The number of cases reported in children from 9 years old or younger has been the highest percentage increase at almost 87.5%. No other age group is even close to that, and that just happened in less than 6 weeks. So yesterday, if you were with us on Up with Krem, we told you about people are calling for Spokane County to move into phase 3 after the firing of Health Officer Dr. Bob Lutz. The data shows us this morning there is no way that's possible right now. As we look at this graph, what we see here is basically a 2-week total when it comes to daily reported cases. So you add those numbers up and you get any of these numbers along this greenish blue line. So if we follow phase 3, according to Governor Inslee's state requirement, we would need to be below this orange line. That's about 130 total cases. For some context, we've already seen single day totals exceed 130 5 times just in November, and our 2-week total today is 2,025. It is mathematically not possible for us to move into phase 3 anytime soon, especially since it seems like we are only heading in the wrong direction.